In this tutorial example, we'll use ChatGPT to determine if coupon code abuse is occurring on your Shopify store. Let's see it in action. In MESA, we're using two workflows. The first one runs every time a new Shopify order is created. Then, we're saving specific order details to a database. The second workflow starts when an order is added to our database. We're using custom code to convert the query into a JSON variable. Then, we add that variable into ChatGPT to analyze the totals and discounted values. The filter checks for abuse. If it does, an email will be sent so we're notified. Jumping over to our database, we can see that we've already seen some orders come through and many have discounts applied. For this example, let's place another test order. We'll add a promo code to apply a 50% discount on the entire order. Now we'll place the test order. With the order placed, our first workflow should pick up the event and start running. Let's jump back over to MESA and see if it ran correctly. On the first workflow, let's check the Activity tab. We can see the workflow is running and the tasks are completed automatically. Let's jump over to the second workflow, which should have picked up the new entry in our database. Click the activity for this one and let's see. We don't see the automation has started yet. If we look at the builder again, then expand the trigger step, we can see that it has a 1-minute delay. Okay, by now it should be running. Clicking back to the Activity tab, the workflow is now running. Looking closer at the specific steps, we can see ChatGPT detected abuse and sent the email notification. Any moment now, we'll see that email come through. And here it is. That's how ChatGPT can help us detect coupon code abuse on our Shopify store. And that's how you work smarter with MESA.